Welcome to an unforgettable adventure as we unveil the most exotic travel destinations the world has to offer. Our first stop is the enchanting island of Madagascar, where you can explore lush rainforests, encounter unique wildlife species, and relax on pristine beaches. Next, we journey to the picturesque island of Bali, known for its vibrant culture, stunning temples, and world-class surfing spots. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the breathtaking fjords of Norway, each destination offers a one-of-a-kind experience that will leave you in awe. Immerse yourself in the adventure as you hike through lush jungles, snorkel in crystal-clear waters, and savor the flavors of exotic cuisine. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the most exotic travel destinations. Which destination would you love to visit next? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration.